Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Beauty Intakes. If you are new, hi, I'm Divya. In today's video, I have created this makeup look. This is cool, this is easy, and this is subtle. I like my makeup to be subtle and not too over dramatic, and I have created this look for the Rakhi and the festive season that are in the upcoming days. So if you feel like recreating this one, then please keep on watching. So I am done prepping my face for the base makeup, and for the prepping I have used a scrub, and if you want the scrub idea I have already a video over it, and post that I have used a moisturizer. And scrubbing just makes your skin so smooth, so it makes your foundation even more easier to glide on, to blend, and to just spread on your face easily. So I do not do makeup on a daily basis, but whenever I do, I make sure that I scrub. And for the foundation, I'm using here the good old Maybelline Fit Me foundation.
My shade in Maybelline Fit Me foundation is 125 Nude Beige. This is 1 or 2 shades lighter to my skin tone, but since this foundation does oxidizes a lot, so better that if you want to buy, you purchase 1 shade lighter of this foundation, and after a while it just sets well into your skin if you blend everything nicely. I do not have very prominent dark circles, so I just use a second layer of this foundation on my eyes as well to work as a concealer and cancel out any of the discoloration that is present. You can use a brush to do the same, but I find a beauty blender gives a much more natural finish.
To set my face, I have used this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. It's not the Fit Me one. Fit Me one is great, but I believe that this one also does the job really nicely. So I use this product. Never ever drag your compact in that way. That way you'll just end up displacing your foundation, and we want our foundation to set wherever it is. We don't want it to be displaced. So this is a thing that you need to keep in mind while covering and setting your face. The next is this Wet n Wild brush and blush, and this is in the shade Fine Wine. It does comes with a brush, but honestly that brush is of no use, and if you do not have a blush brush, all you can do is just use your compact buff and just slightly touch, because this one is too pigmented, and slightly touch it on your face and use your puff or buff, whatever you call it, as your blush. Alright, so we are done with the blush. Honestly speaking, I do not contour my face because my face is actually very flat, and whenever I contour my face, it looks starved. Like, I basically do not have so much of high point and chubbiness, and it's not like I have a defined cheekbones, but contouring makes my face even more starved and bad. And I think I'm able to explain, but yes, not everyone of us needs contouring or all of the makeup steps that are mentioned. Now at this point, if you want to make your makeup look very natural, all you can do is just after your powder, take your beauty blender and just slightly dab it all over your face, just so that all the powder is melted and it's getting into your skin. You can even spray some of the makeup setting spray on your beauty sponge or directly on your face, so that all the powder are melted. Honestly speaking, I have to wash my face just after this video, so I'm not using my makeup setting spray. and this is what our base is like. And now we will move on to our eye makeup. Now for the eye makeup, I have taken this LA Color Sweet 16 eyeshadow palette. One of the shade among this is Broken, and when I am filming this video, this is available on Amazon in sale at the price of $373, but I bought this at $475 from Nykaa. So if you want to check that out, you can check them. I'll be using this color right here and placing it all over my crease with this flat shader brush. And this is going to be a very simple eye look, which you can wear it in almost every occasion, not just Rakhi. Using a shimmery shade all over your eyelid makes your space look much more wider and your eyes just pops out in front. If you have deep set eyes, then this is something that you can absolutely use using some glitter eyeshadow or some sparkling thing or anything lighter on the center of your lid or all over your lid. Now I'm using this orange shade here to in my crease. Before buying this eyeshadow, I would say yes, these are powdery, but they blend really well. You can follow the good old rule of filling in your crease first and then your glitter shades, but I believe that when you are in a hurry, you can just use the color in the sequence, moving it outward. That makes it much more easier to work with your eyeshadows when you are in a hurry. And this is my personal opinion, like if you talk about the professional beauty gurus, they teach you something else, and I completely agree that everyone has a point of view to work. Yes, I used this brown color right here to fill in the socket area, just in the crease, right in the crease. The previous one that we used was slightly above the crease, and this one is in the outer V and in the crease. This is what the eye makeup look like, and I believe that this one looks really great if you are in a hurry and you just want your eyes to look like you have wear makeup but not like too much of makeup. So if you are my kind of girl, if you understand me, then I think that this could be a look for you. To intensify the look, you can use some popping glittery shade in the center of your eyelids, but I'm happy with what this look like. This has come out, and we will be now finishing up the look with some eyeliner and mascara. For finishing up the look, I have used the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara and this Lakme 95, not Lakme 95, it's a simple Lakme Insta eyeliner. Serves the purpose really well. It is water resistant but not waterproof, so that if you are stepping out in the rain, then better that you use something waterproof. Wing or plain, it's completely your choice, but since our eye makeup look is subtle, going with a wing is of no harm, so I will be going with a wing eyeliner. Doing the same on the other eye. For the highlighter, I have used here the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, but if you have an eyeshadow palette that has an highlighting shimmery shade, you can even use that. You don't need to buy all of the product. Buy a multi-purpose product that would serve the purpose of everything. I like to go subtle with my highlighter because I don't like too much highlighters on my face. Slightly in my brow bone. And we are done with the highlighter. Yes, oh, I forgot. If you have textured nose like if you have blackheads. That's why I already mentioned that you need to scrub your face. But if you have blackheads or pimples on your nose, avoid using highlighter on your nose, because highlighter tend to uh, magnify those, feature those textured skin. So better that you avoid highlighter on those points, because no one of us want the textured skin to be highlighted. So yes, now we will move on to our lips. For the lipstick, I will be using here the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade number 14. In the shade number 14 Teak Mystique. This is kind of everyday brown color, slightly dark than what we could wear every day, and since this applicator is quite thick for you to reach into your uh, corners of the lips, I'll be lining my lips with a brush. I'm I'm blind like a bat, if you'll ask me. And since this is a drying lipstick, you better prep your lips before you use your lipstick. And honestly, you don't need to buy this lipstick in particular. You can use any of your lipstick that is similar to brown shade, because this is slightly brown and our eyeshadow are also in the brown tone, so it's kind of complementing everything. So right, this is how we achieve this look, and there are two things that I forgot to mention in, actually three things that I actually forgot to mention in the video, and that was highlighting the tear ducts and putting a bit of eyeshadow in the lower lash line and filling your eyebrows. And these are the three things I forgot to film, and I'm really sorry for that. Yes, that's it, and if you find this one helpful, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do not forget to hit the notification bell button just so that you'll be notified every time I'm putting a new video. And yes, that was it that I wanted to share with you all for this video. If you find this one helpful, and also there will be a cleanup routine and face pack routine coming up for Rakhi and the festive season. And yes, that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Up till then, bye bye, take care, happy Rakhi, celebrate your festivals with as much as joy as you can, and help others, be kind, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.